Hi guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we're gonna talk about the input function. Okay, so just to give you an example on how or when we're gonna use this, imagine that I have, for example, a variable called name, which will be empty. Okay, if I type name, this will be empty. So I want to read someone's name from the keyboard. So how do we do that? So there is a function, as I said before, Python comes with a lot of functions that we can use to write our programs. Okay, so one of those functions is called input, and I'm going to show you guys how you could use input to read someone's age, okay, or actual name. So you use the variable, okay, and we use the equal sign to store what you're gonna read, and there is a function called input. Okay, that's right here, as you guys can see, and input returns a value. Okay, I could we need to open close parentheses. Okay, and you could write some message, for example, enter your name, and then if you type enter, we're gonna be asked to respond or to give some input. So if I press enter, it's gonna show enter your name. I'm gonna type my name, Pedro, and press enter. So we see nothing, but when I call the name variable, we're gonna see that this variable has the value Pedro. Okay, so that's how you read data from the keyboard. Okay, so thanks for watching this video and see you guys next time.